All right, what's going on? Hey, we're live, everybody. What's happening? October 16th. Happy Wednesday. Let's make some money. Y'all ready? Shit. Y'all better be ready. Here we go. All right, let's do this. Let's kind of push that across, run it across the screen to us. Today, I decided to go live for everybody, right? Channel members, university students, and everybody else, right? Normally, we go live for university students, channel members, and then it's available later. We do a lot of special live streams, all that good stuff. But let me let university students inside the room. Let's get to work. S&P, I'll leave that scrolling across the bottom just until the market opens, all right? Just until the market opens up. We got 4 minutes. Get ready. Let's go to work. All right, let me just make sure everybody's good to go. S&P's flat, so should be a good day of trading. Looking at the news announcements, we look pretty solid. Hey, give me a shout out. Who's in the building? Who's in the building? Yeah, we're pretty good. Import prices, 730, low impact. So we should have a solid day of trading. Let's get to work. Got to make some money today, right? Yesterday, we killed it. 26 points yesterday, 20 points the day before. We're on fire. We're on fire. 3 minutes. People are going to be coming in the room here pretty soon. NASDAQ's up 24. Silver's up this morning. Russell 2000's up. That's good for our boy Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin was pumping this morning. Made a post on X. Looking good. Dow Jones is flat. S&P's flat. But NASDAQ's decent. But I do like the Russell. Also, gold's up. See how this market opens. See if we can make some money today. We're day trading the S&P 500. We start off the day 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to about 9:45-ish. Day trading the S&P 500 every day. That's what we do. For members, subscribers, not subscribers, but university students, right? Now, our university students are going to be logging into a private WebEx. So I'm going to be talking with them, typing back and forth on our private groups, going over the rules, all that good stuff. Right now, anybody who joins the coaching class, you get the course for free. What's up, Jeff?
Hey, top of the morning to you, laddie.
What's going on, brother? That's funny. That's good.
Hey, yeah, it's going on, man.
I like it.
We're cruising.
Yes, we are cruising. What's going on, John? We are cruising.
Good morning, Jeff.
What's going on? Just me and Jeff hanging out.
Morning, John.
Good morning, Jeff.
And we are ready to rock, man. Yesterday was a good day, dude. I was pumped about Walgreens. Finally. Hopefully that summit can continue for about another month and a half, maybe 2 months. We'll see.
Bitcoin's looking pretty good this morning, too.
Yeah. Bitcoin's doing it.
Liking it.
Trying to keep that on the down low. Trust me, when Bitcoin breaks an all-time high and takes off, that's going to be my primary focus for during that bull run, because there's going to be a lot of decisions that got to be made, and we got to make them with that.
Yeah.
We got to pay attention, because I'm not going to let happen to me what happened to me in 2021, which is like everybody else. Watch our portfolio go up, 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 down, down, down. That shit ain't going to happen again. No more.
Yeah.
But that's not today. We'll see what happens. Market's down 30 seconds. Let's get to work. We don't have any news announcements, so we should be okay. Yeah, we should be fine. We'll see what the wind brings us. Let's get ready to rock and roll. 20 seconds. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop that banner. We're scrolling. Get to where we can see the screen big. And let's get to work. Here we go. Here we go. 6 seconds. Zoom in. Let's make some money today. Let's trade well. Let's do it. All right. let's focus here. Focus on the plan, right? Right, Jeff? Right, John? People be logging in. Everybody's kind of lagging. I'm going to have to cut our option class early today, guys. I'm going to do it early because I have to go eat lunch with my daughter, which is cool at her school. It's a father and first grade day, right? Something like that. First grade. So, but we'll do options for about 30 minutes, and then I gotta cut it. We should just kind of bang it out.
You got to take advantage of every moment like that, my friend.
I agree, brother. And this is our first one, so she's super excited, and so cannot miss that. Okay, let's get into the zone, right? What's that commercial? Get into the zone. Auto zone. Let this candle shake out. Ticks opened up over 1,000. So, you know what's going to happen. First 15 minutes, we only have one setup, one strategy. The advanced and setup number one. That's it. That's all we got, okay? Keep it very simple in these first 15 minutes. We don't want to, it's really tricky. I am going to be looking to go long, and I'm going to be looking at the 81s, okay? The 81s. Put it in the active trader. Get this bad boy ready to rock. All right, we're good. So, we still got a minute and a half. What's going on, Brandon? What's up? Big Connect. What's up, Brandon? I'm typing in our room. If you guys got any questions, type them in our WebEx, right? Type them in the WebEx or type them in the WhatsApp group, preferably our WebEx. You know, we don't want to confuse with what Charles is doing in there. That way he's got his methodology. He's posting what he's doing, which we're very grateful. And then we're posting what we're doing more in here. I am posting, you know, certain things in the WhatsApp group, but just don't want to confuse the situation. Other than that, we got 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and mark this high, and let's get this bad boy started. We've been doing really good, guys. Really good. Follow the plan. Motion's out. 63.50, first key level. Let's go to work. Here we go. And let's go ahead and mark this 56.25. Oh, shit. Okay, so I messed up on the other one. Hang on. 56.25. Nope. We're going to have to move it. All right. We'll have to redo them. 63.75. I'm only interested in going long, so we're okay. I'm not looking to go short on that break, which is 55.75. All right. Let's mark it down. 55.75. Oh, shit. What the fuck, dude? There it is. Right? There we go. All right. Let's kind of get where we can see it, everything. Let's focus on making some money. Take what the market gives us. Remember, nobody has a crystal ball. We trade the plan, and that's it. Get into a trade, manage the trade. Nothing else to do, okay? All right, I am looking to go long. I'm going to pop up through 63.75. That's where I want to go long, okay? Pop up through there. All right, make sure, again, I know y'all are here, but just make sure, and y'all do, but I always repeat it. Video lesson number 1 in the course is setting up your charts. There's the code, copy and paste to get this exact system. Comes with the key level drawer, right? Draws our key levels. And the clearing range, right? Our first 30-minute range. Okay, you get that. Y'all know, but I always got to repeat it. All right. Ticks are 800. Everything looks good. I love the patience we had yesterday and the day before. Yesterday was a solid day. But right now, first 15 minutes, we only got one thing to do. All right. Y'all know this. Trade every day. And then I teach the plan, right? Trying to trade the ES without a plan will light you up. It will send you to the loony farm. Market's flat. Everything seems to be flat right now. I do have these advancers and decliners kind of pulled up. So we popped up right now. We're kind of angled up. I don't want to look at too much information, but we do have 1,346 is the high. We'll see. I haven't been looking at it too much, but I do want to look. I just don't want to give myself too much things to look at. That'll freak me out. I might try to put it on the chart next week down here or something. But again, what I'm doing works, so I don't want to confuse myself. All right, nothing going on yet. A lot of patience. $63.75. $55.70. Ugh. We did gap up, pulling back usually in that flag. That's kind of the way it works. Lots of times when the ticks gap up, they pull back, or if they gap down, they hook back up, right? I'm only interested in one thing right now. A break to the upside. Nothing else. So if we break down here, that's a no-no. I'm going to leave that on there, okay? So we got it, right? We've been trading this damn thing. Well, I know I have for like 5 years. Every day. For the most part, right? Unless there's a holiday or something. For like 5 years. When you look at something long enough and you focus on that one thing long enough, you become good at it. Right? I only day trade the ES. Right? You can trade the futures contract, the MES, the SPX, SPY. We teach all that, but that's what we focus on. Then after this, we get into our option swing trades, right? Using our scans, using our watch list, all that good shit. But that's what we focus on. Nothing else right now. Not looking at crypto, not looking at options. I'm only laser beamed. And those two marks, beep, beep. That's the only thing I'm interested in right now. Okay? It's got to happen really soon, though. Usually these first 30 minutes, you just got to survive, right? The first 30 minutes are tricky. A lot of fake outs, a lot of traps. We specialize in traps and fake outs, right? Reading the S&P price action, understanding what's going on with the ticks and the VIX. All right, so we're breaking the 55.75 area short. Not interested in that. Okay. Y'all know, and again, if you have, and I know y'all know, but if you're like, why you do that? Or what's that? Type it in our WebEx, right? That's one of the benefits of being in the university. Now, look, we had two kind of baby fake outs. Not much going on, but we did have two. I'm going to go ahead and erase those things here so I can move the screen here. VIX popped up. Market's down 7. How's Walgreens doing today? I'm going to look at that bitch. Oh, by God. It's got a long ass ways to go, but gotta get it out of the gutter. I told you when it comes to stocks, rule number 1, don't lose money, right? That's what Warren Buffett said. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. The only way I'm losing money in the stock market is very simple. You sell for a loss or the company goes bankrupt, period. That's it. So So that's the only way I will ever take a loss. I've only had one loss in the stock market in since I've been trading 17 years, and that was Walter Energy. And the only reason I took that loss was because I was brand new. I got greedy, overloaded the boat, and that company went bankrupt. It was a coal company. Obama single-handedly wiped out the coal industry when he was in office. Wiped me out too. I don't know. I didn't know what I was doing. Huh? That's it. That's the only time I've ever taken a loss in the stock market. One time in 17 years. I've actually been in the financial industry for 27, right? I managed over $100 million. That's what I was managing when I was a money manager. And then I just got tired of doing that. Wrote a book, decided to go off and teach people how to do the same exact strategies that I was focusing on as a money manager. Naked puts, the wheel strategy, cover calls, things like that. For the IRA, teaching people how to manage their IRA. I'm just talking because there's nothing to do right now. Let me see here. Charles is awfully quiet. What Charles doing here? What's Charles doing? Charles is quiet. I don't know if he's still working on taxi, but wasn't the final tax day yesterday? He probably took off today. He's been working, so I'm going to tell everybody in our group, good morning, let's crush it today. All right, nothing going on. This is it. All right, so now, let's think about what's happening. So right now we opened up. We've had sideways action. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to start marking some other stuff. 2080 on the VIX, y'all mark it. I'm going to wait on this other one. I am going to double up on 63.75. We're going to make it thick, right? It's a key resistance area. Supply zone, right? No supply and demand, right? All right. We're going to be adding some more levels here in a minute. But remember, when 15 minutes comes, everything's on the table. We have We have 4 different methodologies, right? 4. Here's what I'm going to do for this purposes. I'm going to say 4 strategies, okay, for day trading. And again, don't confuse it with options. 4 strategies: the advanced, the basic, the aggressive, and scalping. I'm going to call out which strategy. Then we have different setups within that. Now, as far as the course teaches the advanced. All the advanced. I don't have anything on the basic, the scalping, or the other one because that's newer, right? Y'all in the coaching, we've got that. But it teaches the advanced, which I do the advanced. Market's down 7. Dow Jones up a little bit. NASDAQ is negative. Russell's positive. So we kind of got a mixed bag going on right now. The Russell and the Dow are up. S&P and the NASDAQ are down. But again, they're a little bit. It's flat. Got 1 minute. Remember what we did yesterday, okay? Remember the rules. You know which option to choose. I'm going to call them out, what I'm getting in. It's a lot of stuff that happens, though. So, hopefully, we got 30 seconds. Kind of just bleeding to the downside, no problem. All right, let's mark this low. Key level, 53.50. Mark this level on the VIX. 21.01. There we go. There's our levels. We got lots of stuff on the table, so let's get really focused, okay? We've been doing really good focusing. Y'all know, right? Make sure you decide which strategy are you going to be trading. Y'all know the one that I'm trading, or the ones. I got a lot of crap going on. Sometimes it seems to be confusing, but okay, so again, there's our key level. Watch this. I will not be taking that break short via the advanced. Okay? Y'all know why. It's a low probability. Could lead to a fake out or trap. Now, I might end up doing the aggressive. So, again, y'all have got to decide which strategies you're going to focus on, because it's really hard for me to call out all three at the same goddamn time. So y'all got to get it. If you have questions, you need to type it in. Guess everybody's taking a break today, right? Where they at? We've been killing it, though. Pretty flat. A lot of patience. All right. Again, this area is holding as support. Just keep watching. Not much happening. The action here. Everything's in lockstep right now. Came down here, had a little baby trap. Everything is working together. The ticks are up, the VIX is down, the market's up. That's the correlations, right? And again, I will be looking to do a scalping trade as well, because I'm testing that one out. Might be holding these 600 as support. All right. Kind of get in this zone, get us some action. That market will flip bullish, and this bad boy will be gone. You're going to erase this line. Software draws it. I like to draw it, and then about 3 minutes afterwards, it prints via the software. Just looking for a setup. Remember, focus on your setups. When you take your setup, nobody has a crystal ball. Don't beat yourself up if it doesn't work. You did not know. You just trade every setup that presents itself. You cannot be missing. You can't superimpose your will on the market, right? Oh, well, that one's not going to work. How the fuck do you know what's going to work, dude? Market's flat. There's a lot of moving pieces, but it's really simple, right? And again, even if somebody comes in and says, look, I only want to master this strategy, just focus on it, right? A couple of them are so easy, I'm telling you right now. My 6-year-old daughter could do it, and I'm not lying. I'm being dead serious. I know my 10-year-old son and my 14-year-old son can do it super easy. He already said he doesn't believe it's so easy. He's 14. You mean you can't do it? Shit. It's fucking 14, bro. None of his kids in his high school, I guarantee you, they don't know anything about the market. This dude's already like trading. What's the purpose of learning a skill if you're not going to pass it on to somebody? All right, I'm watching. Okay. Trying to make a crack at this key level, but I'm still watching. It's flirting. Watching these. We're still above that zero. We're still 344, so buyers are still in control. And I am watching this 53.50 area. What's going on, Justin? Hey, welcome aboard. Let me put this on here. There he is, man. Everybody say, what's up, Justin? Channel member now. All right. Appreciate you, brother. So again, channel members, what we do is I go live. Usually I go live for channel members, university students. And then later, it's a public. So you always get that advantage of the lives first. Sometimes I'll go live for public. And then also, once you're a channel member, the next step is the university, right? Getting in there and actually getting the course, coming in our private WebEx, learning how to do this shit, right? But thanks for supporting the channel by becoming a channel member. All right. Shout out to you, brother. Shout out to you. All right, let's get back in the game. And again, if you did join the school, let me know, because I'll make sure you get access to the members area, the course, the WebEx. You can join us every day, right? On and off this, and in our private room. Okay, guys, so let's kind of take a step back. What is happening right now? Hang on. It's not doing much, right? There's no juice. Our game is all about recognizing momentum. Hang on. Sometimes toss is weird, dude. It doesn't let you zoom in unless you draw a line. It's weird. Hang on. I want to get where y'all can see it. I don't zoom in too much. There we go. Ticks are picking back up. Ticks are picking back up. Did we gap over here? No. Remember, the scalping method is also on the table. Okay? What's up, Ralph? The scalping method is also on the table. If you're going to do that strategy, we have 4. That's one of them. But I'm being in full disclosure. That one is very new. So we're in the process of developing the rules and testing it out. The scalping. Just so you know. You're not going to get many points. That scalping method is probably going to get you from 1 to maybe 5 points. It's a quick pop. Get a couple points, get out. 4 strategies. The course only teaches the advanced. You learn the advanced, you can definitely learn everything else. All right. So, not much going on, okay? We're just patience. Patience. This week, I'm up 61 points this week. 61. That's crazy. but we're very patient, just like yesterday, right? Yesterday, we're not, again, we have a lot of opportunities. If the market gives us something, we're going to take it. But the most important thing about day trading the ES is patience. There's a lot of times where all it does is chop you up. If you know what you're looking for, it's simple, right? Like in the course, we go over in great detail how to read the price action, understand what's going on. Then you just got to perfect whatever strategy you want to perfect, right? That's the way it goes. All right. Now, also with the aggressive, right? With the aggressive, we started keeping our trading journal like two days ago, right? 2 days ago, right here. So we're going to be documenting everything. That's fairly new also. I've been doing the advanced method for like 5 years, but we added. So we're still perfecting the rules on both the aggressive sorry, I was watching this, and the scalping. So you know. And when I'm testing it out, I'm doing small amount of contracts, right? We're not going to get crazy. On the advanced, I do my normal, right? Okay. I do my normal, which is 50, but that's me. 50 contracts. I'm trading calls and puts on the SPY. Y'all know, I mean, every one of y'all in here in the university, you can trade the ES, the MES, call, all that stuff. But this layout, we all need it. And you need on Thinkorswim. You don't have to. Thinkorswim doesn't have to be your broker. Somebody uses NinjaTrader, Click Futures. You don't have to TradeStation. You don't have to have Charles Schwab as your broker. But you're going to need to get it for the platform. So you can look at it, and then you can buy and sell on whatever platform you use. You don't need them as your broker. You do need to get their setup because I can't find the setup that we use anywhere else, and you're going to want it. So you can get in there and even put it in paper money. It doesn't matter because you're going to be buying and selling on your broker, whoever that might be. What's up, Marky Mark?
Good morning, gang.
What's
How
up?
you doing, Jeff?
Hey, my man. We're doing good. We haven't taken any trades. There's been literally no action.
Yeah, that's why I don't really stress about coming here about 1/4 2.
Yeah.
I gotta be honest. Sometimes it actually helps me.
That's awesome. Whatever helps. I mean, you saw yesterday, we waited and we waited. We took one shot and it was like a home run.
Yep. Textbook.
Textbook. It was like so easy. It's like that Geico commercial, right? It's so easy a caveman could do it. All right, here we go. Well, glad you're here, brother. Let's triple up. I'm going to triple up on 63.75. Triple up. I'm telling you right now, I'm teaching my 14-year-old son, and he made the comment that, is it really that easy? Like, I'm swear to God, that's what he said. Is it really that easy? I'm like, yeah, it's really that easy. He couldn't believe it. Now, I'm just teaching him the aggressive. He's like, well, shit. I mean, that's all I'm teaching him. I'm not teaching him the advanced. He doesn't have time for that. It's the aggressive. And again, we're doing scalping in the middle. I'm just going to try my best to call out whatever. But now we got to wait for the 30-minute range. So just triple up. Okay, triple up. In a minute, we're going to, I'm going to go ahead and draw this key level down here. 53.25 until the software draws it. I think in setting up the charts, all you got to do in the members area is copy and paste the code. And it draws it, right? I'm going to teach you how to draw it, but yeah, Mark, that's good though, because in the first 30 minutes, there's really not a lot of action, to be honest with you. Not a lot.
Listen, we have to recognize our own strengths, our own weaknesses. I have an issue with impulse, a very serious issue with impulse. If I don't recognize that, I'm going to pay for it.
Bam. First step of learning is becoming aware, and you're aware of your strengths and your weaknesses. And if your weakness is impulse, yeah, waiting for that 30-minute is better, because in the first 30 minutes, there's a lot of whipsaw. I mean, I'm not saying there's not a lot of whipsaw after 30, but there's more whipsaw in the first 30 for sure. All right, let's kind of take a step. Let's read all the information. You can see we held that 0 line. That's cool. So we bounced. All right, we got a lot of stuff in play. Decide what is going to be your strategy or strategies. I trade the advanced, the aggressive, and I am doing the scalping also. And I'll tell you what exactly I'm going to do. And if you have any questions, type them in our WebEx. Remember, I'm going to be typing in our group right now. Again, it's so hard for me to type it in all, but for the scalping, I'm going to type this in. Okay. We got our WebEx. I'm typing it in. For the scalping, that's what you need in order to kind of, again, to activate it, right? Now, again, I'm going to be constantly typing in stuff for y'all. Again, that's one of the benefits of the school, obviously, is you get the actual rules on what we're doing. So I'm typing that in our WebEx. Okay, but there's lots of times, like I said, I go live, and I go live just for channel members and students, and then later it goes live. And you know, with day trading, you need to be there when it's happening, right? I mean, if you watch it later, that's great, but if you're going to day trade, you got to be there when the action's going on, like right now. And again, I'm going to tell you how many points I'm going for. What I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing when I'm doing it. Like I'll say, hey, I'm going to jump in on a scalp, or hey, I'm going to take an aggressive. But understand, nobody has a crystal ball, right? It's right here. Nobody has a crystal ball. When you get in a trade, if you lose, do not beat yourself up because you didn't know what was going to happen. That's such a big gift that I can give you. All you can do is focus on the plan. A lot of people, they'll take trades and they'll lose, and I hear them say, damn, I suck at trading. You don't suck. You didn't even know what was going to happen. If you knew what was going to happen, you'd bet fucking everything you got. But what you can do is recognize as quick as possible and adjust, right? Adjust. That's the name of the game. Right now, guys, the market hasn't done anything. We're 30 minutes into this bad boy. You can go ahead and erase that key level because it draws it, and it's going to extend it the whole day. For those of you trading the aggressive, it extends the whole day. I'm watching right now. I'm looking at our aggressive to go long. I'm going to be looking at the, right now, it looks like the 81s, okay? The 81s. Not yet, but very, very soon. I'm going to go ahead and get in on the 81s. I jumped in a little bit early, but I'm okay with giving back a little bit. So I jumped in the 81s. Y'all know I'm going to go for 20 cents on the target, okay? 20 cents, and I basically already almost hit it. But I'm not going to say nothing because, oh, shit. No. Hang on. What the hell doing? What am I doing? Hang on, guys. There we go. Okay, cool. There we go. All right, we're good. Whew. So I went long. And I will look to add to this bad boy. Y'all know my rule. I will... y'all know my rule. I mean, I have a hard target at 20 cents. Hard target at 20 cents. And I will add another exit, but right now, let me type in my chat. I'm just watching. Okay. It's aggressive for a reason. We're looking for that pop. Ticks are picking up. I want to see it pop through 63.75, and then I'll look to go long via the advanced. Okay. We're anticipating a pop. That's why it's called aggressive. You know, again, it's easy to do, but it's a little bit, you know, again, we're anticipating the break. It's like that squeeze, right? You're anticipating that squeeze firing. We don't know. We just got to read the information. I got a hard target at 20 cents. And I'm going to stay in that trade just like we did yesterday until I either get stopped out or I hit my target. There is no in between, my friends. But I would love to see a pop up through 65. It just takes one good shot to add. All right, I'll be looking to add to this trade with a pop up through here. Right up about that was it popping the 60 range. I'm just going to draw that for my own benefit, right? I'm not going to enter there. I'm just drawing that for my own benefit. Okay. Let's see here. And I'll probably be looking to add on the same ones, to be honest with you. The 61s. I'm not going to enter here, add. I'm watching. I got to get evidence. Okay. I'd love to see it pop up through there, though, to add to this trade. You don't have to add, okay? You don't have to add. You can wait till this trade's over and then take another trade. But if we can get a pop, I will add. All right, let's watch. Yeah, let's watch. Oh, selling off a little bit. That's okay. One good move ought to do it. Just be patient. That's how we were yesterday and the day before. And the day before. All right. Let's watch. We'll be looking to add to this trade. Again, it might be a little difficult. So if you don't want to add to it, it's okay. But like Mark said yesterday, I'm going to put it in our chat. It's so good what you said yesterday, bro. All right, if you're going to add to this trade, I would probably add at about that 60, 66. Might be difficult, though. I got multiple trades going on. It's a little bit harder than I thought. It's got to happen pretty soon, though. It looks good. All right. Get a little pop up through 66. Got to happen soon. We're going to add on the advanced. God. All right. Wait. Still going to keep it. Got to close. All right. So I'm still willing to add at 66. Okay. But watch it. We don't want this to get suckered in. I'm not going to do it yet. Close. All right, I'll add. Hang on. I'm going to draw some lines. Bam! Hit target one on the other one, baby. You know what? I'm going to go. Hang on. I'm going to sell half on my other one. Hang on. I can't talk right now. I'm selling half. Okay? So I'll dissect what's happening in a minute. Oh, shit. I don't even know what's going on. Shit's looking good. All right. So let's do this. I'm going to make this red. My stop loss is 64. Okay? 64. I've already drilled my other one. I already got 20. Fuck! The boss, Mark. Mark came through again, baby. Wow. Wow. Come on, guys. I know y'all took it. All right. So, I've already scaled half.
What did I do?
What'd you do, brother?
You said that Mark came through again. What did I do?
No, I said, Mark, it came through again.
Oh.
No, I said it came through again. Like textbook.
I was about to take a bow. I don't know.
Wow. Shit. Like to see it kind of go, but I like it. I'm gonna erase this blue line real quick. It's confusing me. My next target for starting to scale out's up here at 70. 70. I'll go 70, guys. 70 is gonna be my next target. I'm either gonna dump the other half or take profit there. I've already scaled out and took half. I've already hit my target on the other one. Let me type on our group. There's really nothing else to do right now. Bam! Good morning, Charles. Got me plus, shit, I got me about plus, I don't even know, 20 so far. Okay, so I know I got 20. I haven't calculated the other. Again, I tell you right now, my 14-year-old has already told me it can't be that easy. It is that easy. That's 3 days in a row. We've got 20, 20, 20. 3 days in a row, same trade. It's not a stupid question, Justin. It's not stupid. So the SPY is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. So I don't do calls and puts on the ES itself, but what we do in the school is we watch the ES and then I buy calls and puts on the SPY. So it's not a stupid question. And yes, they're very similar because the ES futures is the S&P 500 futures. The SPY is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. So that's a great question, and that is not a stupid question. All right, so we did close above here. That's good. So again, I'm not done. I'll look to get in more trades, and I'm still in a trade right now. My next target is either 70 or I'm going to stop out at 64 on the other half. That's it. I mean, that is what it is. My ultimate target, if this runs, is 76. If. Okay, that's my ultimate target if this starts to cook. But, you know, we're just grinding it. There it is. I'm right here. It is what it is. I will either stop out at 64 on the other half, or I will take another quarter off here. We can't control. All I know is we nailed it. That was a thing of beauty. Again, I'm going to write down what Mark put yesterday, and it was so good what you said. Look what I just typed in. That's the reality, my friends. That's the reality. You want to win? Pay attention to what I typed in there. That ain't no joke. You can make this hard or you can make this easy. I'm running over 80 plus points this week so far. Yeah, this is nerve-wracking, but it is what it is, right? I've already got my plan. 70 or 64. No in between. And again, I need to pay attention to the scalping method too. I keep forgetting about that. It's too hard for me to do the scalping method, and I got too much. Right now, I'm just going to focus on the 70 and the 64. But I need to also pay attention to that because we were activated a minute ago, but it wasn't triggered. Remember the scalping. You get activated, then you got to have that trigger. But it's awesome from what I'm seeing so far. But I can't do it all. It's just too confusing for me. Too confusing. I'm focusing on 70 or 64, and there is no in between. That was already hard enough running those two trades at the same time. I'm not going to lie. I don't know if I can do that. That was difficult. Come on, baby. Ticks are positive. We're plus 82 so far for the week, and I don't even know what I got on this trade. Again, I might break even. If it rolls over and stops me out, that's pretty much break even on this one. But, bam! Way to go, Ralph. That's how you do it. Right? Right now, I'm sitting at 82 for the week. Way to go, brother. We're going to update the journal here in a minute because we got to update it every day, right? We're updating the trading journal every day because we're trying to get a good feel on the aggressive and the scalping. And the only way to do that is to update the journal because where I really need to focus is when we lose. And we haven't lost, but when we lose, I'm trying to get an idea of how much we lose. That's going to dictate how many contracts I start doing. Right now, I'm just in testing mode. Yeah, I'm buying. I started off with the MES, then I went to the ES, and then Mark here in the room said, hey, you should take a look at the calls and the puts. I think it was Mark or Rafa or both. And so what I like doing and what works to me the best is I'm buying calls and puts, watching the action. So when I'm calling out, that's the strike that I'm calling out, right? We have a specific expiration month that we use also, but because again, you want to make sure you get the right expiration month.
I will take credit for that one.
What's up?
I will take credit for that one.
There you go.
I looked what the SPY options were.
I knew it because you were like, you might want to take a look at them. And I'm like, all right. And I did, and I like it. Look at this, guys. I'm still in this trade. I didn't do nothing. There we go. Hang tight. Hang tight. Yeah, calls and puts, baby. But you don't have to, right? ES is $50 a point. That can get expensive. Yeah, what the hell are you doing? Come on. There's a lot of fluctuation in this candle. But again, just it is what it is, right? This is all patience. You shouldn't feel bad. You already got a lot of points. So you're like, you're on house money right now. And you already targeted out half. Worst case scenario is you basically break even on this trade and you're still up plus 20 from the last trade. Worst case. Ticks are picking up though. So, I mean, I like that. Might be able to do a scalping. I might try that, guys. No, not again. In that case, I have forgot. So, okay, because I'm in this trade. Let me just focus on the trade. Then you would not have entered the scalp. Attaboy! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm just sitting there tight. This is nerve-wracking. It's nerve-wracking. Hey, Jeff, way to go on that 15 cents, man. How did you end up with 15 cents? Did you change it to 15 instead of 10?
Yes, sir. I remember what I said yesterday. I felt comfortable enough to bump it up another nickel.
I like it. I like it.
It worked.
Yeah, it worked beautiful. This little part right here is pissing me off, but again, It is what it is, right? We have no idea what's going to happen. I can't control this damn candle. But I'll tell you what, it hit 64, I'm out. Hit 70, I'm selling another quarter. So I sold half, I only got 2 quarters left. Right? One of them will be gone if it hits 70. All of it will be gone if it hits 64. Period. I don't like this, but it is what it is, right? And I'm not going to just abandon my rule and jump out because I don't like something. That's how we were the other day. We sat in that trade for a long time, and finally it hit our target, right? So you can look to do the scalp and potentially just keep watching. Keep watching. I am going to pay attention to that. Okay, so you would not be entering into the scalp. I'm going to write in our chat. Remember on the scalp. Okay? It did not do that. Yeah, I do not have a hard stop loss in my options. I am manually exiting based on the ES level. So this is where you got to be disciplined, which means if it goes through 64, it's not a hard stop loss. I have to exit, which means you got to take your emotions out. You got to hard, like if it goes up here, I'm going to hard exit. This is where people get in trouble. They start getting this hopium and the greed. No, it is what it is. You're going to trade the options. I do not set a hard stop. I manually exit. Absolutely, Rafa. You better freaking believe it. Charles said, when I pose these inflection areas, you can bet. Hang on, baby. Come on. Damn you. Keep going, you son of a bitch. If it goes up close, I'm probably going to take it. I wasn't paying attention because that caught me off guard. I probably would have dumped it just because I'm getting sick of watching it. Charles said, when I post these inflection areas, you can bet I'm on them. Oh, yeah. I know you're on them, brother. Come on, baby. Come on. Just give it to me, man. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to mark this up because I got to end this trade at 66. Let me just start marking some shit, dude. Okay, cool. There we go. Everything looks good, though. Yes. Okay. Hang on. I wasn't. If it goes up there again, damn it. Go up there. I wasn't looking. Every time I turn my head, it moves. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. If it gets up to 6 right under it again, I'm dumping it. Not dumping it. Just the other quarter. Come on, bitch. I mean, I'm up 2. Okay, I'm going to... No. You know what? 68.5. I'm going to dump a quarter. Okay, I'm dumping a quarter, getting another 2. And look at it go up. Shit. Okay. 8 went through right now. I got out at 69. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's going to go up to 70. Now you go to 70. That's okay. I got another one. So that's cool. I'm already targeted. That's another 5. We're still in it. I'm plus right now. Plus 5 on this one. Actually... Well, oh, yeah. Now, of course. So that's plus 10. All right. So where are we going now, guys? Here's my stop loss. 68. 68. I'll dump it. Holy mother God. That's my ultimate target, 76. Let me draw some lines. That a boy. Ooh. Okay. All right. Actually, move your stop. My stop's going to go to 7. It's going to go to 70. Bam! Okay, hang on. 70 is my stop. My target 76. 70 is my stop. Actually, I'm moving it to 72. You know what? Oh, that's, you know what? 72. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Go up. Go up. 72. Fuck it. I'm dumping it. I'm dumping it at 75. That's it. I'm dumping it. I'm out. I'm out. It's going to go to 76 now. I'm out. That's bad. Holy shit. I'm out. I'm out. So, plus 15. Oh, baby. I'm out. I'm out. Plus 15 on that one. Plus 35, baby.
Great job, Jeffy.
Hey, brother. I appreciate it. I'm out. Wait, thanks, Roth. Oh, that was nerve-wracking. Normally I let it go to 76, but guys, that is, I'm not gonna lie, man. That was pissing me off. And I'm okay. I'm done. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Now you can breathe. Now you can breathe. Hey, brother. Appreciate it. It was so, I mean, again, that one was a little nerve-wracking. But let's think about what happened. We nailed the aggressive. The aggressive. And then we got an advanced. And we were within 1 point, but that's okay. I closed it out 1 point early. So I'm going to give myself the benefit of the doubt. Ultimate target was 76. So if it goes up to 76, then you would have hit it anyway, but I'm peaced. That's it, my friends. I'm not trading any day trading anymore. I got 35 on the day. That puts me at 97 for the week. Holy shit. We're going to update our journal also here in a minute. I want to make sure we document that. Remember, if you didn't get out like me, which I got kind of a wuss and I just jumped out, 76 was the ultimate target, but it just took too long. We got too close. We're cool. So you got it. All right. I'm not taking any more, but if you do now, guys, the only thing you can do is you can do strategy. Look at it. It's going to go up to 76. So you can do the advanced strategy or the scalping, okay? That's all you can do now. Look at it. That's 76 target. It's going to hit it anyway. You watch, man. You watch. I'm out, but I just want to see. Look at that. That was the ultimate target. Look at that, you son of a bitch. But it works. These targets are perfect. We've been studying and planning these targets for 5 years, man. I'm not in it, but I'm watching it like I'm in it, which is crazy. I'm actually staring at it like I'm in this fucking trade. I'm not even in it. But guys, that was textbook again, man. Look at that. That's 3 days in a row that we just drilled it.
Was Jeff? Look at that VIX, man.
I know.
Running into the dirt.
Isn't it crazy? You know what the craziest part is, Mark? Prior to you coming in here, you never even looked at that.
And never would have.
I know it. Most people would never look at it, and they don't even know how to look at it the way we look at it. And you said it the other day, the VIX is the boss. The VIX leads the market. The VIX tells the future in the story.
Jeff, I wondered to myself how many days that I was actually shorting the market that the VIX was cratering. I wonder how many days I was at. It's actually frightening to think of that.
I bet you it was a lot of days that you were.
Yep.
But you can get, you know what the beautiful thing is? You'll never do that again. You'll never do that again, brother.
I really had mental issues.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I think about whenever I went through that big losing streak when I was just trying to trade. Again, I didn't know what I was doing. And I lost $75,000. And I bet you I was in that same boat. I wasn't even looking at the fucking VIX. I can guarantee you, not only the VIX, there were probably times where I was going long when everything was saying go short. Everything. But that will never, ever, ever happen again. All right. So here's the deal, my friends. First of all, Justin, thanks for becoming a channel member. I really appreciate you. Big time. So here's what I'm going to do now for university students. We're going to trade the options. Okay. We're going to trade the options. And then tomorrow, we're going to we'll do the day trading for members of the channel and university. So like, look at it, go to 76. Okay. So I want to kind of just get this housekeeping out of the way. There's people that just subscribe to the channel. That's cool, right? I appreciate that. Members of the YouTube channel, you get access to private live streams and videos that I don't, that number one, don't go to the public, or two, you get way before the public. Okay, that's a huge benefit because when we're trading, real time is everything. Now, if you join the live coaching, that's a different ball game. You can join the live coaching either through a link, or I think even I put it on the YouTube where you can join the coaching, the school. That's where you get the course, the members area, our private WebEx, and we actually teach you how to do it. All right, so I'm going to log off. For those of you inside the university, we're going to do options here in a minute. I got lots to say. We're going to pull out the trading journal. We're going to document it, and we're going to see if 76 hits. So Justin, thanks for coming aboard. Hopefully you join us soon in the coaching. If not, I'll see you back here tomorrow, my friend. Peace.